Hello everyone, welcome to our new YouTube channel Gate Metallurgy Tips and Tricks. Today with us a wonderful guest, Mr. Abdullah Sheikh, who secured all India rank 10 in Gate Metallurgy brand 2021 in third year itself. So this video will be beneficial for all the third year and fourth year. So watch till the end. So congratulations Abdullah Sheikh for getting such a good rank in third year itself. So can you give
Thank you.
a brief introduction about yourself to all our
Yes,
viewers?
sir. I am Mohammad Abdullah. I am basically from Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. Currently, I am a student at MNIT Jaipur. I am currently a third year student at MNIT Jaipur, Metallurgical and Materials Engineering.
Okay. So when did you start preparing about for GATE? Or tell to all the viewers.
Sir, I start preparing for GATE Metallurgy in August 2020 approx. At that time, IIT Bombay issued the notification that from GATE 2021, third yearites can also wrote the GATE examination. So
Yes.
I had GATE in my mind from second year itself, but I pace up my preparation after the notification of GATE 2020.
So that is great achievement. In such a less time, you get a good rank. How you are feeling after getting such a good rank?
Awesome, sir. It's a really good experience to get such a rank.
Yes. Must you must keep all your dedication level always high. So can you give how much? But for a long time, such a long time, 8 to 9 months, how you keep yourself motivated? Because GATE require a motivation all time. Can you say?
Sir, I set a goal. I didn't start preparing just after deciding. I give myself time for 15 to 20 days to sort out things through what I want in my life in future. I have to go in metallurgical core or non-core. So I sort things and see every sort of career I can have after BTech. So after consulting with my seniors and all, I opted for for technical core because from second year when the core subjects are come in our curriculum in college, I developed some sort of interest in metallurgy. So during lockdown, I got a lot of time also. So I want to pursue MTech from IIT Bombay. That's why I started.
Okay, so can you tell all the viewers that which book to refer and which book will be best for all the topics?
Okay, so for I will start from subject by subject. For thermodynamics, you should refer B.S. Murthy sir thermodynamics NAPTEL lectures. At least first six lecture. If you have enough time, you can read first eight lectures. Six, seven, and eight lectures are quite complicated, but at least read six. Six are enough, but for more better understanding, you can also watch seven and eight lectures. And thermo and other thermodynamics part I cover from Gaskell. There are some really good concepts in Gaskell. Gaskell is the standard book for preparing for thermodynamics. For rate processes, I refer A.K. Mohanty and I prepare my notes from NAPTEL lectures. And for in some topics in which I have doubt during my preparation, I refer A.K. Mohanty. And for physical metallurgy, I start reading from V. Raghavan. I covered 70 to 80% portion from V. Raghavan and around 15 to 20% portion like magnetic properties, electrical properties, I covered from Callister. And in mechanical metallurgy, I refer to George Dieter. Dieter is quite complicated and very long book, so you have to sort out based on previous year that what topic you have to study and what not. So be careful while reading Dieter because you can't read everything from Dieter. So go through the previous year papers and then sort out what is important and what is not important. And for small topics like von Mises and Tresca, I refer to some YouTube videos. And so this is how I prefer mechanical metallurgy. For extractive, I read extractive from the core book HS-ray. HS-ray is in very simple language, so I go through HS-ray for extractive preparation, and for iron making and steel making, I refer NAPTEL lectures. Now I come to manufacturing. Manufacturing, we have a very good manufacturing topics are given in the end of like 16 to 21 chapters of George Dieter. And it was quite simple as compared to other topics given in George Dieter. So you can get a brief idea regarding manufacturing processes from the George Dieter. And as far as the NDT is concerned, you can refer NAPTEL lectures. Sometimes people left small topics like NDT, but NDT always IIT asks from NDT from 1 or 2 marks. So you should not leave small topics. Small topics cover almost 30 marks paper. So and math, I bought book of One Coaching Institute. So I cover math. And for general aptitude, I didn't prepare from anywhere specific. Though this year this year aptitude in aptitude spatial aptitudes also at it, like folding of paper, cutting of paper. So I read that part from YouTube, some YouTube videos.
So all
So
the
this is
viewers
how.
will mention all the books said by Abdullah in our description. So to visit. And Abdullah, please said about how you analyze the test series, because test series it play important role in time management. How you will sit for that 3 hours that really matter in a real exam. So can you give a
Yes, sir. So test series is most important thing. After 20-year previous year papers, the most important thing for GATE preparation is test series, because you can't get a good rank. Instead of having very wide knowledge, without test series you can't get, because some silly mistake you didn't get to know you will do in the test series, but you have no idea, then you can do such silly mistakes during your preparation, because after all you have to do a paper in 3 hours. So in spite of having full knowledge, sometime very good student can get a good rank, because they either don't take any test series or took test series so seriously, marks of test series so seriously. You have to take them seriously, but not that seriously that your real preparation may suffer, because in test series question, the curriculum in test series whole syllabus is covered, but in actual GATE exam, previous 20-year papers are mostly asked. Some tests were really difficult, so that you have prepared that if the paper is come really awkward and really hard, then you will not lose your patience. If paper will be hard, then everyone will get a low marks, and all you have to do is competition with others. So don't panic if some of your questions in initial time you don't able to solve some questions.
okay, then Abdullah, according to Abdullah, we all have to test series are very important role in time management and mistake identification. So all if you join test series, you have to put a book with the notebook with you, and you when you mistake, you try to correct in next time. So you gradually improve, and that is the motto of all test series, which help him in
You
getting
should
a
have
success
a
rate. Yes.
you should have a different copy for test series.
Yes.
In that test series, solve the test series question too, but to make a different paper. You wrote what sort of mistake you did in test, and write silly mistakes on different side, and the conceptual mistake on different side. There is no scope of silly mistake in GATE exam. If you are conceptually weak, you will not get rank, that's for sure, but at least try to minimize and reduce as far as much as possible silly mistake, because if you didn't commit silly mistake, I'm sure you will, if you have good preparation, you will easily get a good rank under 20 and under 20.
Okay, bro. Can you last 5 to 7 days? If some we already prepared some students, but some people got depressed or they thought that we didn't much revise. So what you tell to them? So can you
Yes,
share
it's
your
obvious
classes?
to get nervous just before exam, but you have to do a long-term planning. Exam, GATE exam or any other exam, it not just a 1 month or 2 month thing. It takes a lot of time. Some people said that they study 2 or 4 hours daily, but this is a myth according to me. Maybe some have good memory and good sharp mind, but as far as I am concerned, I study 8 to 10 hours regularly. Then only I can able to do this, because if when you read the topic first time, it will take much time you to understand what's going on. That's and at the end of the day, at the end of the day, at least give half an hour to analyze what you studied in previous whole day. I mean, what you studied whole day. That's very important. Sometimes we start going through, but we have to stop somewhere and don't rush for things. Get steady and and be regular at least. Don't like you study one day for 15 hours and next day you didn't open a book. That's not. Study for 2 hours, 1 hour initially, and then steadily and consistently improve.
Uh, and all the viewers, Abdullah was saying previously that he made a short note which helped him a lot. So can you give us some tips about how to prepare a good short note which will help in revision most of the time?
First of all, go through 20 years paper. Whenever you I think if you are third and fourth year and you have metallurgy branch, you have some basic idea what's going in physical, what's is mechanical. If you didn't pay any attention, well, still you have idea like strain stress curve, phase transformation, phase diagram. Everyone has idea, even if you are not good in studies or you didn't pay attention. Then go through first 20 year papers and go through those topics whom you studied in your curriculum, and then start analyzing what sort of question get asked in previous year. So if you analyze this, you have your main aim should be you have to adjust in the curriculum of GATE, the pattern of GATE. You don't have to do PhD in any certain topic. Like GATE asks very simple question according to me, very conceptual but very easy. So be precise in your preparation. Go through first 20 year papers, and then from that you will get to know whom what topic you need to study in theory. So go through those topics. Don't make short notes in first time. When you go through those topics, then again attempt 20 year previous paper. Then when you get comfortable in the subject, you itself get to know that when you are comfortable and what not. Don't make short notes and start, because you have no idea what's important, what's not enough when you study first time. Analyze 20 year papers, then read theory, then again analyze 20 year paper, then you will get a fair idea what's important. Then go to short notes, write the formula in a different copy and conceptual concepts in the different copy, and also make one copy that all concepts asked in previous 20 year papers. Like around 60 to 70 marks paper are from last 20 years, directly or indirectly, and 20 it doesn't mean that you don't have to study outside 20 years, but that's most important thing. When you are done with it, then only go to other topics and then make sure notes from standard books. I personally preferred Naptel. Naptel is way better than standard book, because standard books are written by very renowned writers, and sometimes it's very high level for our student. Like Dieter Mohanty was too high level, I guess.
Okay. Okay, so at the end, what will be you say to all your junior students who will give GATE 2022? So they will be motivated and they have enough time from now. So what do you say to them?
Yes, so if you have to crack GATE 2020, even a third year student can easily get crack. So basically, make a plan for 10 to 15 days. Don't like I will start studying from next 10 to 15 plus. Talk to me, talk to other seniors. You must have your some toppers, rankers in your education institute too. So talk to them, ask important topics, and then start studying from chapter to chapter. Don't leave for end time, because if you start from now, you will get comfortable till October, November. So if study a subject in a month and go through 20 year, I again repeat, 20 year papers are most important. And don't and the one more thing I forget, that don't rush for answer just after reading 20 year paper. Try your best to get it solved. If you from heart must know that you have tried or not. So go through papers from whole heart. If you still didn't solve, then only ask your seniors, your colleagues. There are various discussion forums to be left social media for. It's not a very tough exam, so take 7 or 8 months break. Doesn't I don't think it will be very disturbing to you. So just take a break from social media, but stay connected from
YouTube, right?
internet. That internet is very important. Like various discussion forums. I initial days, I my concept were really weak, and I kept asking doubts on various forums. And even if one people replied, I got my answer. I am not there to uh, please anyone. I just want my questions get answered. And if you on different forms like on Telegram and WhatsApp, and there are a lot of groups, you have to stay active and stay, and you have to do research, some of sort of research as you see, then only you can get added into group. And don't waste your time in anything. For it's just 6 to 7 months. Once you get selected, then everything will seem easy. So I will say that set a goal that you should know that when you feel demotivated, you should revisit your goal. That's what benefit it will bring if you get a good rank, and what's your final aim, what's your family want you to be, and it will be really helpful. Set a goal. Having a purpose is most important, and don't demotivate. There will many phases will come during preparation when you feel demotivated. Take a deep breath. Don't study for 1 2 hours. If you are really bored, don't study for 10 hours daily. Study 4 hours, 5 hours. Take a break. Stay with family. Talk to your parents. It will be easy for you.
Okay. So thank you, Abdullah, for giving such a good tips. Yeah, I think it will be very beneficial for all the viewers who are preparing for GATE 2022, all third year and fourth year. And you are a motivational and inspiration for all the third year students. So getting a good rank of A in AI 10 in third year itself is a dream for many students. So congratulations once again, and
Thank you, sir.
thank you for giving us time. Thank you all the
Okay,
users
sir.
for your love and support.